Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today I've got something super exciting for you. We are going to take a plain old static website and in just few minutes host it live on the internet using Amazon S3. In this case, we have no servers, no complicated setups, just lightning fast, reliable, and almost free hosting. Before we dive into this step-by-step process, let me quickly answer the big question. Why S3 and not others? Well, S3 is built by Amazon, as you know, so you get world-class durability, scalability, and speed out of the box, and also its shape and integrated perfectly with other Amazon services if you are planning to take things to the next level later on. So stick with me because by the end of this video you will have your website online and ready to share with the world. Before we jump into the hosting part, let me quickly walk you through the website you are going to put online. It's a restaurant website called Salpicon. The structure is pretty straightforward but complete. It has a home page to welcome visitors, a menu section to showcase the dishes, and an About Us page to tell the restaurant's story, a gallery with photos, a service section, and finally a contact page so customer can reach out. So it's a clean static website, exactly the kind of project that works perfectly with Amazon S3 hosting. And by the end of this tutorial, you will see the entire site live and ready for the world to visit. Alright, now let's do things in real. First, you will need to create a free AWS account and log in to the AWS console. Once you are in, go to the search bar at the top and type S3. Then click on S3 service. Next thing is to create a packet. So just click on create packet and choose a packet name. And you should make sure to the name because it must be unique worldwide. Then scroll down and check the option that block all public access and then click on create packet. For me here I got an error because my packet name contain an uppercase letter, so I will fix that. For you, make sure to follow the valid naming rules. Bucket names must be lowercase only, no spaces, and can include numbers or hyphens. So after I fixed that issue, now the bucket is created successfully. We can move now to click on it, and inside you can see an upload button. Click on that, then choose add files to upload your website files and add folder if you have folders like images or assists. In my case, I have an assists folder that contain images, so I will upload that too. Once everything is successfully uploaded, go back to your bucket page and now click on properties, scroll down to static website hosting, and you should now enable it. Here, your default home page, you should also set your default home page to index.html and then click Save Changes. Now, at this point, an endpoint URL is generated for your bucket, and this is the link to your live site. But if you click on it and open it, you will see an access denied error, as we can see here. That's because we haven't configured the right permission yet. So let's fix that. Go to the permission tab, scroll down to the bucket policy section, and add a policy in JSON format. This actually, it's a very important step because it allows public access to all the file in your packet. You can simply copy the code, replace the bucket name with your own, and then click Save Changes. Now I reload the page, and here we are. The website is live.